can boy you pana adwen Facebook community guidelines, so I don't go fit put the picture for here. Into me share. We boy guy na adwen police and chain is he walked scot free.
Ebusian for me mamu nyina akwaba Eei Ghana Nsɛm TV GH. Mesre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for ene our radar is on Ayawaso North. Na Ayawaso North uko hwa MP no eye NDC ni. Na you know say one characteristic aye almost common to be bia MP eye NDC. And they say, because I mpatema kubolo 4 doors wo. And most of the conform school they are doing well for themselves. Ewa brabomono. Most likely, they like to identify with a new patriotic party. That is it. Most of about, let's take it, say, about 80% of the time. But Ayawaso North, the reason why we are even Ayɛka by Ayawaso North, say serious allegation be SFC on the internet. Brantie mienu bi ababontin abeka say one of the guys follow Ayawaso North MP no. Sa nepa no wa fa law no into his own hands. Say because na ban never power anti. Otome ehwenya mienim etam cutlass. And how she obi fufro ni tri hu ha. E pai papa nuti. Ebusanfo pictures na mmobo dodo. Mmobo anye easy kra. Utumi bisa hu say, how can a human being be so wicked, so inconsiderate? All because not buying more power. That is not all. Apparently, that same guy oni obi ekonya akwenshia. Now, onya question according to report no. Baby onya question no na police for wo. Na police for jina hopa. Ba papa wait me share police for enim. Ehwe nyakopo enim. Akotisu ti share guy no so. Ebu no enye easy. Ohun abe omobo. A pai assess a guy nenim. Adentia na ban na wo. Onim say Udi uko report to police station na enkosiaga. Esan say oye MP small boy. Oye MP small boy. The same thing na me yeka say NDC abai mo no. Obi bia sorry wo NDC mu bia o say national security. Kubolo bia sorry bia o say national security. Udwinwa wonti ase bia amkonya uniform no kra udwinwa unteme hu. Say penny bia etimi call national security or call uniform amani kubolo for say omo hye. It is say akoye say emra bia anya dwuma wo man we mu. We NDC ni a emra no does not apply to you. This is MPP ni and as an ordinary Ghanaian as they like to call us. And this is the kind of nation Ajo Mahama, His Excellency, is supervising over. Now, sorry, I now be catching them say, BBI Ghana has turned a leaf. Where people are taking the laws into their own hands, people are not scared of the police, people are being kidnapped on the sea, which leave have written, indeed. Because now I be said Akufo-Addo time won't be there. When Akufo-Addo came to power, and as a vigilante in Sema Delta Forces and Semno, STT, Akufo-Addo made sure say that thing was dismantled. Intentem cry. Do you still hear about Delta Force in the others? No, here. Any pragmatic leader, any leader of the people, a leader that means business, What's Mahama doing about it currently? Nothing. And funny humpo. He's living in a bubble. She and funny home. Or sorry, I know person or teno and Ayɛka kyerɛ no. Obi a ne ho abet me akanya sansem. Actually president who said debut this one and that one we are getting it wrong. And you be found. Obi a ne ho sa. Mobo. But let's go and listen to the tape. You can donate to Ghana TV by sending your donation to this number beneath the Ebusian for Kitabianswa. Help us upgrade our studio and also help us to keep buying data bundles to upload the content you love so much. Interesting conversation about story Amaka. Any pictures no air happiness. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
But my minister on cosmetics, right? The battle so cosmetics. I meet me the number amount.
But you me here be.
I buy a product for only women. Oh.
And I got cosmetics. Yeah. Maybe.
But you me here be me there will fear the doubt. You here if I could people about it. There will fear na sume.
Mate.
Deal.
Mate, madam. Young question.
Yeah, Felix, who's that? Just said your Mahama in the NDC there. They be over my depressed too.
Aye.
Just said media what I got from the State of the Nation address. They say, Coco for them say ni aya na aye musika na anya maso. Tika no wafa omwe wia enti koko piani bia wo bottle koko bottle ye wia 1.1 11 million 11 million old cedis 1,100 Ghana cedis ye wia say what they call $1 na that's about $110
Yep.
Meboa.
Yep, 110, yeah.
Per bag bia omo ye $110 American dollars na free so. Na wa wo de hwe kokoko ani a owo kasape. Mo amunim kasape no. Mo nkọ hwehwe. Owo ahafo akire ho baabi, owo hwehwe. Na wo tena se eye ne boni sei. Me de na ne just na hu se wan kan asem bia kokoro de ne aya na aye musika no mo afa. Yeah, can say so be 2 weeks near na me catch say cashew so.
Yes.
Eswati.
Aye.
Who say afraid the asin abeda bontin?
Aye, ampa.
Aha. Me the cashew ni koko de me industry girl o. Ti me nimu asem pa. Kwahwe oye na atiasi bunu ho.
Aye.
Bunu east. Parts of half, parts of savannah. When you do cashew pa. Kwahwe. Na mi kura mfo bunu fo no nyankopon na atua moka mutimi kwoto aba epa binim se ye na MPP fo yesu ban nye. Yes, I agree. Ni ebe bebre koso origin mu ana nye so mu hwe awurade ani ma ye kwoto aba e ma party ani ye wo 11 seats mu kwoto 11 seats na adane akoma NDC afa na matia no onwo ate so by half amutiatie munya huhwe ni aya wo musa MPP for so wo ha atia ya no mudidi tse kokko pharmacy tu ka kwa kokodu a na watwa so say yetimi tsina Ghana na Bunu region we have just one German South ya lusu enchinu yinara niara na do ye ma mu advertise na do ko na atia a bag of atia was 25 oh 2,500 2024 you turn one bag at 2,500 and now you turn 1,000 cedis. And now you turn 1,000 cedis.
That a big one.
It's a cocoa for what no. I think for what matters a rubber so above from palm above from above from it's a bro
above from sorghum above from rice above from all the grains nini price above from nini price above from bia ebia niwa John Mahama ba we to me de 5 cedi krade ato so say watomu 5 cedi obi ose ono na buru o ma to no higher than the na do to no famra yenje on famra ne
eti enyina nyame na atua yenka se na ma hu 2 hours o waste enyina ye time
Oh,
ankanya sam baako mo de mo nkyerem ya de baako adwo Mahama timi kan ya o se waye enkukọ nkitinkiti akokan ya wakotwa ho nturo
oh.
aka chen say 700 nkukọ nkitinkiti massa how many thousands of people
13,000
wa he
people.
nipa
13,000.
pro tro omo tro ni
calculation now. Nipa could be 0.05 chicken.
enti asa akukọ ba no omunya ne kra na omunya den
Omu chicha ni ti.
What you trade it in?
onya fu chicken no pabu cho munya Marcus muka sania mutie muka sania nkukọ ba no aye mpanyimfo weye day old chicks
I dey oti. No pa chire no.
day old chicks we ye cha ye benya ne se wa ahwe o se confusion wo twa ntro na wo ye bone a awurade pe kwan fefefe so wo gu anim ase wo jo Mahama nkoa na edu ba bia wo kan ade ya fa mistake am behemu a wo speech yira wo na otimi kwa jina UN na wo speech ayira
Speech ni na yira.
ene dia anyira yi wo hu atro aye dia hyemu ama wo hu ntro aye dia hyemu ama wo
Now this time, it's Mahama for short says when ready and sound over.
No, I don't think.
me ma kram
Wabuse sram.
Yeah.
Wabudo.
Nkwa de John Mahama.
John Mahama ono oye adwuma 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Enti nura ye wie no omo type wie no wan kan mu because okofie so okoba bi obeko eno okodu ti anadwo enti wantimi ankan osore ya program no usi start in 11 k to they say ulo ene ese mama lodi na shede nyane na ntam na nanisu ateteno amane ne beba nanom na nanisu ateteno ene reading na o reading na ma hu so onu ampa John Mahama ade a o kan ni nya na o ye mistakes very unlike him.
I was so surprised today. Yesterday, I am so surprised. Just say,
Very unlike.
Not like Mahama at all. Percentage, no, I can't figures, no, I can't. We know they are famous. I'm like, hey, I was like, wow, this guy.
Me can so teleprompter is so hiniano.
It's in any miansa and an issue anymore. We corner way crabako and a main one is when him and a corner way shine a corner into crack three into the nature majority. I'll be
mammy at least many try nanado sukakra. Yes, and I'm a ben sam nanado once or twice. Said Jubilee House 2 a.m. or Toho. And next mobile state of the nation address Okomu. Wefre minister we busa questions mo take that say na do ye mistake bi because what kind of the quote figures are any and suja any between and you know coffee no na ni so antete na no pay say mama lord na me na ni now team manager presentable program you start 11 but you why na kasa no
sorry kasa
program no start 11 till na so oba na aja ye na quick and na mu hu ne mahu ye ti krom ha NDC 40 ho su ko he social media enra okuja to ne ade the saying DVL boss omudi asim atrofu mienu ahia aha na ehu otrofu panyi ze ka chem so okuja to abra ko ye kohwini dabra bani otrofu ya ka wodwin se wa hu se de what yesi ono an NDC for no so za to kwani gire mi yankan wieye na hu John Mahama DVL boss per chance odu be fa ne nkrofo akwa abrochire pressure na anu eden timahu ade anka okofa aba anya me adu viera ache no ada ne ntokwa wo mumui wo be ka chance wo ma nipa 1 million adwuma ekurom ha ana nyina na yete ha wa NDC for na he no ma adwuma me can so government statisticians say a time a ukoti ye no na 300,000 no kwa ne na eku 300,000 onyane na what na say one kan ade one check inti one say stand up gbenu ma ye okwase a omo awia ba behjem ade mu awafa baby stand up gbenu so no so be check no so afa baby panyi nya papa ni odi a kire nya papa nya soja fo na obro mu a epiepie omu a onam na ojimi na odi atam ntimi ebesi anu atro ne edi behjem mu de mu ma se ye kwa mu nkonko kan mu behu nsem a ye behu ne e wo sa ade enim ade obeka ye no hope Asem papa bi ani.
At all.
Adi papa bi ani. Ye nya obeka che say Mahama case. NHIS na wo hold down na akopore ho. Ebeka che say Mahama case. MPP abai mu. Enye ye ne ade kidney. Yare ye hye NHIS mu.
Ya na de bae.
Na sa case na makoye de sister obobia life madam akotena no na. Okwa no akoma nipa 3-4 bi 10,000 to 20,000. I don't know healthcare. I don't know healthcare. Me MPP ya the FN is a national health insurance by. As at the time Ayɛka near the childhood cancers, ashasiye, ya the cervical cancer, ashasiye, over the prostate cancer, ashasiye, ya the kidneys in asham.
Diabetes.
What you know how about catch that? I don't need why ye.
Diabetes where drew.
I feel ya why say you go to Woton. Woton a waboka reserves e wo ho wakwa akofa no what ton fedi kokwa akuafo sika wawia om abo mo kro no kronfo tachi amwa wabo mo kro no wo wie ya health insurance aye so approach ne ho dia ma o sister anti fefe anti life madam no so de nam no de bo life ena sami je visual no asisa gold boss sika akoma no we sure no asisa gold boss scrap han ena atru sister ne life bo also na akoma obi eno ne health insurance no eno ne health insurance hu no se aka kire ye bio o flagship program we won kokon kitinkiti ya we kwa hwe nchi constituency omu kwache nkokọ no when this for na omu chama no ya ba obi akokọ mbia bienza 3 eno kura ntokwa girem ndc for ni bi enya constituency mu ho omu di kofi ankokọ ma ni nyina ewu
Ombewu.
Wait.
Now we opebre.
Tell us, mami, I know being can be one. I'm saying, it's a bufu seven kwa, a bufu seven.
The Omo ya no sister ma. They have made the point. Some person more frustrating. Why not so a farmer? No be kwa call re with takraboa or sebe opebre. What be that? What be that? O the one kasa monje ne ho. Say I'm going into bed rearing. But I'm doing it during the winter time. Opebre, opesi a wo mu a eno ma fu.
Omuko dua nua wo like John Mahama one. Omuko dua nua wo sremu no. Opebre mu no omuko de okay.
Ai. Enko kon keten so opebre. Oh, na ye.
I went confident for ye hu mo. They say enko kom man na ewi.
Kai. Enya papa. All right, MP3. Pacho Fadia kakrabra na hianto aso. Say what the chairman na ye wo